My name is Erik. I'm an enterprise architect. Well, I think the most intriguing thing about Oracle VM is it's an enterprise-grade hypervisor, so it handles all the virtualization, and it's free. And you don't hear the word Oracle and free a lot, but there's a lot of stuff in Oracle that is free, and Oracle VM's one of those. It does most everything that you need in the enterprise for a hypervisor for virtualization. I can run VMs in it, I can do farms of VMs, I can run Linux, I can run Windows, I can run Solaris, so I have a lot of choices of operating systems. And it does everything that you need it to do for most of your needs for a hypervisor. There's a lot of benefits with Oracle VM that I like. I've been working with the 3.4.1, which just came out. I've been working that a little prior to release. And there's some features there that they added, like storage live migration, that is really a key feature for that enterprise ability in the environment. The other thing is how it handles what are called partitions from a licensing aspect. So when I have Oracle licensing challenges that I have with some of the other hypervisors, Oracle VM is able to be configured so I don't have those challenges. Scalability of the solution, we use it all in our labs and we have a small production use, but I also have clients that are using it. Not had an issue with scaling systems very large. Getting into server individual pods or called pools of servers, 16 nodes, no problem. Getting into farms running thousands of VMs, no problem at all. Oracle technical support for OVM is one of the strong areas that I've seen from Oracle support. The support staff are fairly knowledgeable on the product. I haven't had too many issues when I've had the few cases to open up a support issue where they weren't able to help. The surprising thing though with that is I haven't had to call Oracle support a lot for the product. It's a very stable product, very robust product. The number of tickets I've had to open up with Oracle have been minimal since I've been using the product heavily now for the last 5 years. So the initial setup for Oracle VM is pretty straightforward. Installing the hypervisor on what's called an OVS, Oracle VM server, takes maybe 5 minutes and you're up and running. Installing the manager software itself, yeah, that may take a little longer, maybe an hour for a complete install from scratch before you're up and running. And it's all web-based, which is really nice. You don't have to have any special clients on it. So often I'll be managing the system either from Windows or even from my iPad. What features would I like to see in Oracle VM in future releases? I can think of a ton of them, but some of them are just coming out. But better disaster recovery, though they just introduced a new technology called Oracle VM SiteGuard that's helped a lot in disaster recovery. I would like to see a better integration to the Oracle networking hardware. So that would be nice. The integration between the Oracle physical networking hardware, the ES2 switches, would be nice for that integration. I think it becomes more of a why do you use it situation. One of the things is it's a cost savings. Since Oracle VM is free and the support's free when you have Oracle hardware, you don't have to pay the expense you pay with a lot of these other hypervisor packages out there. It's an immediate cost savings out of the gate. The other times that look at when you want to run Oracle VM is when you have a performance issue. The way it works technically under the covers at the lower level of the hypervisor, the VMs run faster and I get better performance. In small environments, it's nice. My application runs a little faster when virtualized. In larger environments, it's actually a bigger deal. Not only do my applications run faster, but because of the efficiency, I actually have to buy less hardware. If I have to give it a rating between 1 and 10, I would give it a 9. The reason I'd give it a 9 is there's some room for improvement with some of the areas in the manager. Some of the integration to the networking layer with the Oracle products would be nice. My recommendation to peers is if you're looking at hypervisors, have an open mind. The market's not just dominated by a single hypervisor. Look at the technology out there and give it a fair evaluation of what its capabilities are.